TT Squad, this is Tia. Hey, guess what? Today I'm making some ham, some potato top cauliflower. 30 calories. I eat 6 of them. They 30 calories. They are only 1 gram of protein, which is not really nothing. But hey, I'm gonna go ahead and try these out. I'm preheating the oven. I'm gonna cook all of them. I'm preheating the oven on 350, y'all. They look really good, don't they? They look like real tater tots. Oh, I already washed my hands. I'm thinking maybe I should have sprayed some at the bottom of my pan, but too late. Already started, so bam. I'm about to put these in the oven for about 20 minutes. I'm thinking about 20 minutes. I don't know. While that's cooking, bam, I already rinsed this out. I'm gonna rinse it out again. I'm gonna make this ham. My son keeps talking about he wants some breakfast. I want some breakfast. I want some breakfast. Now, mind you, 8 o'clock at night. Might be a little later than that. This ham is so freaking thick. I gotta cut it because I'm not gonna eat all that ham. I know he's not gonna eat all that. He don't really eat ham like that. But I'm gonna fry this ham. It's so thick. Look how thick it is. Really thick. That's too thick. I'm gonna cut it in 4 pieces. And I'm gonna fry it. Well, I'm gonna fry it. I'm not really gonna fry it because I'm gonna cook it with. This is my piece. This is mine. He probably gonna eat some of this for breakfast in the morning. And this is my piece. 2 pieces I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna pre-prep that, and this is for the night. That's how that goes. Bam. Go ahead and spray the pan, and I'm gonna get to cooking. I don't want to use no grease because I can't really have it fried. So I can use that. Oh, that's gonna go to my son. So this in the trash over here. He wants some toast with his. And he actually going to try, so that's a good sign. He's going to try, so that's a good sign. This some thick ham. I can have ham to eat because ham's supposed to be protein, lean ham, but this some thick ham right here. This ham's too thick for me. That's about right. You take this, put it in the dishwasher. Wash this one. I put bleach on everything, so I make my water. My son told me, Mom, why you got bleach? Boy, about the average person put bleach in their water. I put it in there because it helps. I don't know my favorite time. If I went to the store, did the grocery store, what? Because that makes me tired. I'm going to get some because I can't live without tea towels, I swear. I gotta dry my hands. With that being said, CT Squad, I'll be right back. CT Squad, I'm back. I'm checking on them in the oven. I gotta turn them over. They smell, I didn't put nothing on them. They smell delicious. Just gonna turn them over a little bit. Give it about 10 minutes in the oven. The ham is done. Never had cauliflower potato tots. I seen them in the store. I was like, what? Cauliflower potato tots? Oh, I like tater tots. I ain't had tater tots in a long time. Look at them. Don't they look good? And they cauliflower potato tots, yeah. I'm about to put them back in here on the other side for another 10 minutes. While that's cool, while that's going on, my son, oh, let me cut this off. I gotta make my son some eggs. I don't want no eggs, but I'm gonna make him his eggs because he want an egg. So I'm gonna make him an egg. And he do scramble. I'm gonna get a little pan like this, make his egg. I'm just gonna get me a piece of meat and tater tot and call it a day. I really don't. Then he wants some y'all think he wants some of mine. Can you make me some jelly and toast? I said okay. I'll make some jelly and toast. I got the bread in the refrigerator because bread go bad because my son don't eat bread all the time. So I'll make it. Then it's wheat bread. Well, what is it? Wheat bread. He hate when I buy wheat bread, but I buy wheat bread because it's good for him. So I'm gonna make him some toast. Put in about. I already got the oven on because I got the cauliflower stuff in it. Let that cook. Cook him some eggs. Cook him an egg. Put it on the bread. Bam. Cook him 2 eggs. I got a boiled egg over there in the morning so I can eat in the morning. I pre-boiled the eggs so I can eat in the morning. And he like cheese. He gotta have cheese. Did I put something there? He gotta have cheese. He don't have no cheese. He be like, Mom, you forgot the cheese. I'm like, oh Lord. I wanted to throw him in the kitchen and tell him to go ahead and cook his own food, but how you just don't want nobody in your kitchen cooking? I think he a little too young to be cooking, but my sister gonna be like, no, he need to cook. Let him come and burn your kitchen down. Don't burn my kitchen down. I don't want nobody burn my kitchen down. So I'm gonna sit up here and make him some eggs. I'm still waiting for my tater tot. Now mine is, it was 8 o'clock, so it's about 8:30. Here. Get his toast. I let him put his own butter on it. Because when I put butter on it in the oven, oh Mom, the butter made the bread soft. So, hey, he threw his own butter. Let me tell you guys a secret. He don't know they cauliflower tater tot. Hi. He about to eat it on his plate. He don't have no idea. I ain't gonna tell him. Oh, well, he know if he tastes it, be like, it tastes different than him. But other than that, he ain't gonna know. He ain't gonna know nothing. There's his eggs. Bam. Get that right there. Bam, bam. Bam, bam. I finished that little bam. It don't matter. All this right here. Now, gotta wait for his sauce to come out. TT Squad, I'll be right back. TT Squad, I'm back. Man, they sizzling. It's about hot in here. Got the oven on. Cauliflower tater tots. Bam. Put about 4 on my plate. I'm gonna get him about 4 on his plate. Bam. With that being said, TT Squad, this is our meal. Bam. Bam, that's my son meal with tater tots. Bam, this is mine. Bam. Call him in here, see if he come and eat his TT Squad. I don't know how it's going to taste, but I like ketchup. I'm put some ketchup and hot sauce on it. I don't know how much, let me see. 20 calories for a teaspoon. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons. 40 calories. TT Squad, with that being said, peace out. Bam. Bam. Like, share, subscribe. What? Bye.